Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this Valentine rose donut. Valentine is round the corner. Love is in the air. This donut can be made and given to your loved ones. Even you can present it to your children. They really love it and the color is pumpy. Let us get right into the video. In a bowl, I'll be mixing up all the ingredients that I stated on the screen. Get all the measurements correctly and let us mix them together. You have to sieve your flour first. Sieve it so that you remove all the unwanted materials that you might find there. You add your yeast, add your sugar. Like I said, all ingredients will go in. Valentine is not when you buy expensive gifts for your loved ones, but the thought behind it is what matters. Is what you can afford that you give out. So this recipe is a tested and trusted one. You can use your mixer, you can use your hand. I prefer to teach you the hand method, mixing it with your spatula or a turning stick. You can see me in the video holding tight the bowl and mixing. You have to mix thoroughly so that all the lumps will disappear. You know, the way machine will mix it is different from the way you will mix it. I'm supposed to pour it on the mat and knead it with my hands. But this is another method of kneading. I prefer to mix it thoroughly in my bowl. I'll be adding this Foster Clark red food color, a food color that is edible. Don't add any color that you don't know of. If you want to buy it, go to the supermarket and ask for food colors. I'm using red color which symbolizes the color of love, that is red. Keep adding the color until you are satisfied with the result. You can see that the color is not really showing here. I'll be adding more until I've gotten my desired color. I'll also be going in with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. When you add cocoa powder to a red color, a red food color, it will make it more deeper. The red will show properly. Like in making a velvet cake, when you add cocoa powder, you will see that the velvet cake will be more richer. After mixing it, you pour it on a flat surface and you scale your donut. Here I'm using 40 gram, each 40 gram. You can cut it smaller if you want your rose to come smaller. If you want the red rose donut to come smaller, you can use a smaller gram. You can use 20 gram, but in this video, I'm using 40. After measuring, then you form it into a ball. Form it into a ball and put it aside. You make sure that all the balls are equal. Then you put it on a flour surface tray and cover. Cover it properly so that it will not dry out, and then you bring it out one after the other to roll. Follow my steps in this video and you will come out with the same result. You can see me rolling. I'm not rolling harder. I'm just using that rolling pin to spread it out, and you set aside. After rolling, you place it on each other. See the way I'm handling it? Then you place it on the other one, roll out another. We're rolling 4. To make a rose, we're using only 4 balls to make the rose. You can see the way I'm handling it gently. And if your rolling pin is sticky, just add some flour on it. See the way I started? I started from left to my right. Roll it like that and cut in the middle. When you cut in the middle, you bring out half of it to form your rose petals. So you see, just follow the way I'm making mine and you will get exactly the same result. Isn't this beautiful? Give this video a thumb up to appreciate the effort behind this video. You can make this donut in a cream form and use a red petal in between. You can use two cream one that has not been dipped in color and use two red petals that have been dipped in the red color. Just twist it and form a rose. You will love the outcome. I noticed one thing, you can fry immediately. If you have somebody frying for you, you can just pass it to the person to fry. Because when you are puffing it, the rose petal grows bigger. But as you roll it, put it on the fire and fry. You get it the same way. I'm making another rose here, cutting it same way, applying the same method and getting the same result. I'm using my hand to bring out the petals. Form the rose properly and you get the same result. Valentine rose donut, a beautiful concept. You need to try this recipe out. You will love it. Putting a pot on fire or a fry pan depending on what you want to use. But I'm trying to conserve vegetable oil here. That's why I'm using this smaller pot. I check the oil with my skewer to see if the oil is ready. It shows that it's ready. Then I drop the rose donut into it. You can see the way the donut is frying. Beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? Then you go in with your skewer and a spatula or a spoon, perforated spoon, or any spoon at all, just to flip the rose over. Fry 2 minutes on both sides and your donut is ready. Don't over fry. Your donut is ready. Make sure both sides are fried. Then you bring it out. This is quick and easy. Or what do you think? Like I said, that if you have a means of rolling and frying immediately, it will come out nicely. But this one stayed longer. That is why it started forming freely. But look at the first one that I fried, still maintaining the rose shape. Isn't this beautiful? You can insert a skewer in this and make it stand. You can dip it in glaze, apply different sprinkles on it. But here, I just sprinkled some powdered sugar on it to give it another twist. Valentine rose donut, a must try. Give it a try and let me know the outcome of your own. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things, another idea from this video. If you have, like I said earlier, give this video a thumb up, share the video with your friends, your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Let's see how fluffy this donut is. You can see the way I'm cutting through it. It's very fluffy and soft inside. You can see, properly cooked. See how soft it is. Biting through it is wonderful, very sweet. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.